know I'm going to be using this every single day. In the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, any day I'm gonna be reapplying. And it's super cute. You could put in your purse. It's tiny, like you could just go on the go, you know, when you're in the car, like, and you're ready. You're ready for the day. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I got a package from Rhode, Hailey Rhode Bieber skincare line, and I got the package. I'm super excited. So I did open it. I just wanted to see the packaging and everything. This is it when you open it, and then it comes with a cute picture of her. This is cute. It says, "Welcome to the world of Rhode. Rhode is a new philosophy on skincare developed by Hailey Rhode Bieber. We believe in one of everything really good. If you have any questions with your order, email Rhode Skin. Join us on a road to dewy, delicious skin." What intrigued me about her products is that I just love how like the sleekness of it. It's super cute, super simple. I love that. And also it's different. Like, I don't know, it's not like the same out there. It makes a bold statement by just being simple and chic and clean, and also affordable. Everything so far that's on her website is $29 and under. So super cool. I'm super happy about that. So when you open it, I do want to let you guys know, as you see in her packaging, I didn't get the peptide glaze because, let me just make sure. So the peptide glaze fluid, which is $29, the dewy hydration layer, I'm currently on the wait list for it. So that's the only product that I didn't receive because it's sold out. So I'm only going to be reviewing 3 products. I also got 2 of the peptide lip treatments. As you can see, this one's watermelon and this one's non-scented. I didn't get the salted caramel just because I don't know, for some reason I was like, oh, I don't know. I was like iffy about it. And I also was just trying to save some money, girl. I just wanted to try it out. I feel like 2 is enough. 1 scented, 1 non-scented, just to try it out to see if I like it. And maybe I'll get the salted caramel in the future, but I've heard a lot of good reviews about the salted caramel, so I might just go check it out. Then we have the Barrier Restore Cream. I've heard a lot of great things about this, so we shall see. As rich, nourishing moisturizer to comfort and restore a compromised skin barrier. Just so you guys can know a little bit more, those of you who haven't tried Rhode or are thinking about getting Rhode. So it says rich but lightweight cream moisturizer to comfort, soothe, and restore the skin barrier. Our antioxidant peptide powerhouse delivers hydrated, smoother, softer skin over time. And it is 1.7 ounces. Soothes and comforts a compromised skin barrier, nourishes and hydrates the skin. Now, I peeped the application on the website. It says peptide glazing fluid you should use first, and then you layer the BRC for the ultimate skin barrier nourishment. Now, I don't have the BRC, so this is going to be a little bit different for me. So the key ingredients, I'll also post them right here. Squalene, hopefully I didn't butcher that name. Peptides, acai, oh my god. Please, somebody get me in the comments because I am saying these words so wrong. Get me in the comments. And niacinamide. So shea butter hydrates, moisturizes within 5 essential fatty acids, including vitamins E, D, and A, and allantoin. Squalene, powerful and hydrates soft skin. Peptides, visibly plump plus reduce the look of fine lines. To like research this because it's ridiculous. I don't know how to say this. Antioxidant rich, plus protects skin from harmful free radicals. And niacinamide nourishes, brightens, and improves skin overall texture. So that's just the key ingredients. Of course, she has more, but yeah, I just wanted to try it out. We're gonna start with the Barrier Restore Cream. I love the packaging. Packaging is super sleek, super cute. Very nice. Super cute, as you can see. It's like the size of the palm of my hand. Yeah, it's pretty. It's tiny. It is tiny. You know, I thought it was gonna be bigger. Let's try it out. No fragrance. This feels really good. I had to smell it. I'm like, is it me or smell like a tiny smell of vanilla? But maybe it's just me. Oh wow. Like I can literally feel the hydration. I could only imagine if I had the glaze before this. I kind of want to put just a little bit more because that felt so good. Wow, you guys saw the difference. Super nice. Really feels super moisturizing. Can you get the glazed donut look with just this? I mean, I see a difference. Like, look at that. Shiny, nice. I love it. Don't pay attention to my eyebrows. I gotta get them done, but it melts right into the skin. Absolutely love it. I feel super refreshed, but as you can tell, it's like super, even without the glaze, I feel glazed a little bit, you know? Like you can tell the difference. I love it. I like it. I can't wait to try it out with the glaze and see how it all comes together. Yeah, right now I'm in the wait list, so I guess we'll see. We're gonna try the watermelon peptide lip treatment. Now, I thought it was a great idea that she did the lip treatments with unscented and then with two with non-scented. And the hint of pink is like so cute. I love that. So cute how she puts like the pink. I assume it's the same exact thing, it's just unscented. But I want to try the watermelon one. Ooh. That smells really good. And I'm a fruity girl. I love that fruity scent. See if we can do a close-up. Ooh. Wow, it smells amazing. I love it. Glossy lips. I love it. Love it. Super nice. Now, I'm not gonna try on this one because I know it's the same exact thing, just unscented, but I highly recommend these products. It feels super, it smells and it tastes, you know, we shouldn't be really tasting that, but it's like, it feels like a little hint of, you taste it, you know? I really like these products. I can't wait to try the glaze and see the full effect, but so far without it, it's done, it's giving. It's giving. I don't know, I like it. Let's see if I can read about the lip treatment so you guys can know a little bit more about it. The peptide lip treatment retails for $16. Now, it says here, Best of Beauty Award winner. And girl, it is well deserved, okay? Well deserved. I already know, I know I'm going to be using this every single day. In the morning, in the night, in the afternoon, any day I'm gonna be reapplying. I know. Treatment for naturally plump, pillow soft lips, day or night. This dreamy formula leaves lips looking glossy and works hard to nourish the dry skin within. Girl, I know that's right. For plumping lip mask, apply a thick layer. This is shea butter, peptides, Kupachu. Oh my gosh, get me in the comments, guys, because I cannot today. Babasu. Okay. So it says hydrates, moisturizes with 5 essential fatty acids, including vitamin E, D, and A, and melatonin. peptides, visibly plump, and helps reduce the look of fine lines within the lips, which I thought was super cool. I think that's what really drew me to the lip treatments, was the peptides. The fact that it's under $30 is like amazing, because doing this for peptide, having peptide formula in a lip treatment for $16, she's trying to help a girl out, okay? So yeah, it reduces the looks of fine lines even in your lips. Like, imagine that. Like, I swear my lips were not this pink. Like, is it the watermelon, Haley? Is it the watermelon? Because I swear I swear my lips look a little bit more pink. I don't know, you guys, you guys let me know in the comments. Capuchu helps maintain skin elasticity, improves for dry and dehydrated lips, rich natural source of fluoric acid, and support the microbiome, plus replenish overall skin moisture. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, dermatology tested, and developed. You cannot get this right now. I highly recommend to just get one of the lip treatments, because girl, is worth it. And it's super cute. You could put in your purse. It's tiny. Like, you could just go on the go, you know, when you're in the car, like, and you're ready. You're ready for the day. So I thank you guys for watching this video. I was super excited to show you guys about Rhode and my impressions on it. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. Feel free to give this video a like if you like this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1K subscribers. We are almost to 400. Like, my mind is blown. Like, I haven't been on YouTube for a little while, but YouTube is my passion. I'm always gonna be on YouTube. I'm always gonna wanna keep doing it. Super excited for the future. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.